Hi guys, if you want to learn how to make this arrangement, please stick around and I'll show you how. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Once again, this is FemMNY. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. And to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to decorate this beautiful shimmer wall product from ubackdrop.com. And there you go, there's our shimmer wall backdrop. This time we'll decorate this beautiful wall backdrop with balloons. And we'll use this backdrop stand. Alright, it's time to inflate our balloons. We have 18 inches right here. We have 10 inches and 5 inches. So we will inflate this, and it's gonna be an organic garland, so no particular size. You can inflate it to any size. Just like that. So I actually prepped most of my balloons and is on the floor right now. And layer. Just like that. Then I will inflate 5 inches balloons. Alright, so this time we'll do on this side. We're done on that side. So the same thing. Now we'll put a little gap right about here. Put this on the second layer. Alright, so let's continue on. So this time I'm gonna attach this to now. Like that. Our 2 quad, use the balloon end and the balloon end on this side, attach them. Just tie them all together. Okay, so now you have a cluster balloon. So this time I'm gonna add it here. So we put this in between. And we'll continue on until we get to this point. A little gap right there. We have this green and gold. These are our filler. So I'll attach this using our 260 strap. attach another green. We'll attach it here. Again, we use our balloon 260 scrap. Alright, and this time we'll add this flowers right here. I'll attach this here to this area. So at the back side, I have this balloon sticking out, and I'll attach this here. So just like that. And then on that side, we'll add this, more flower. Add this here. Alright, we'll add this flower. So on this side, we will put our leaves. So make sure that the pointy end, you bend it and put tape so it's not gonna pop your balloon. So just put it there. I'll use clear tape. Some of this, and I'll actually put them in a 5 inches balloon. I'll do the same thing on the other side. And we'll add some more. And then we'll add this. Alright, and there you go, it's finally done. This is our beautiful flower. So this is our arrangement for today. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Please let us know where you're from so we will know where this video goes to. And again, thank you so much, youbackdrop.com, for this beautiful shimmer wall backdrop. See, in the beautiful is glittery and I love the color. This is a light gold shimmer wall backdrop. Alright, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye!